Hey guys, I have a little haul from Dollarama. You want to see some new crafty things that I found this week? They're really cute. Come back and check it out. Okay, I went to Dollarama. I needed some more stuff for my garden. That's where I'm at, my head is at these days. But I did go down the craft section just to see if there was anything new. And there was. And did I buy it? Well, of course I did. So what I bought are, oh wait, this is not a crafty item, but I picked this up, organic cat grass kit. So I'm gonna go grow some grass for my cats. And I don't even know how much this was. I think I have it here. Oh yeah, these are $2.75. First time I'm trying this. We'll see if it's a bust or not. But anyway. Okay, so the tapes I found. This is all I found. They had these tapes, floral tapes, they call them, by Calvin. And this is what I got in my store. Okay, so the one that measures 1.5 centimeters, or just a little over half an inch, 0.6 of an inch tape with little flowers. I don't know if you can see the details. It's quite shiny. You see that? So you have 4 rolls on here. You get 3 meters on each roll, or 9.8 feet, almost 10 feet, for $1.50. They say they're self-adhesive, and I would like to find one I could open up for you. I have a feeling it's like a cello tape. I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. Oh yeah, it's like a regular. It feels a little thicker than a regular what do you call it? It's tape, cello tape, transparent tape, scotch tape, whatever. But it's got print. It's got little, like this one is pretty little flowers. I thought, why not? I like the transparency of them. So there was this set. There was this set with butterflies. Oh, I hope I can show the details of that. And there was another flower set. And finally, this is the 4th, like, floral set that was at my store. And they also had this floral tape, which measures 1.6 inches or 4 centimeters. And again, there's 3 meters on here, or almost 10 feet. And this is the tape, and it has some beautiful dragonflies. Oh, and there's some words. Happiness always is transitory, such as dragonfly. Oh, it's hard to. Dragonflies only belong to summer. Oh, so there's. Oh, and there's some more sayings on there. So this tape, I think it's more of a white background tape. Yeah, it's like, oh, it is like a, oh, it's a very thin tape. That's really a more of a washi tape. So it's white, a white background with silver winged dragonflies. It's lovely, absolutely lovely. So I got this one. And the other one they had was this one. Oh, it's feathers. Float something. It's got feathers and butterflies. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. I didn't look at them that closely in the store. And then this one with some birds. Oh, these tapes are gorgeous. And there's some writing also, some pretty work. Oh, these are absolutely gorgeous. These are awesome for our junk journals. And then finally there was this print. That is that a magnolia maybe? I'm not sure. But yeah, so I just got these lovely, lovely tapes. Wanted to share that with you guys. $1.50 each. I mean, these are beautiful. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I went into Dollarama. I needed some things for the garden, and so that will be coming up next. So, okay, so I ended up buying 2 of these trellis panels, and I'm going to show you really quickly what I'm using them for. They're made of willow. They're expandable, and they were priced at something. I don't remember what the price is now. Hopefully I show you. Oh yeah, they were $5, and they're like a fence. So here's what I did with one of the panels. I'm using it to support a small clematis plant that I just got. By the way, I bought that on clearance, so very proud of myself for that. And the second one I used in another area, in another garden. And here's the second one that I used. This one sort of to conceal the generator. And I had foxgloves that were growing before, so they did their blooms and all that. So that is there, and it's currently supporting some lilies that I have in bloom. Oh, and you can see the gray tiles there that I used to make a path. So for anybody that needs to come read like the natural gas meter or to come do any maintenance on the generator, they could just walk on those tiles towards the equipment. I also bought some more of the garden netting to cover my berries. Very useful, practical. That was $2.50. And I believe I showed you in a previous video how I set that up. Oh, and I also picked up these protective plant covers. They're like blankets for my plants or shrubs, and I thought they were a good price, and they're a very good size to cover some shrubs that I have that are a little bit more susceptible to damage in the winter. I also picked up these flower pot liners. They're like a core mat, and they're great for lining baskets as it shows in the picture, but they're also great to use to like mulch around new plants without adding loose mulch. If that makes any sense. You could just like cut them with scissors. And then the pots, I got these 3 gray pots. They're a very good size. They do have a little saucer at the bottom to catch the water from there, and the pots have drain holes, and it was $4.75. Does it say the size there? I can't remember, but they're a very good size. So I thought that was not a bad price at all for some larger pots. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks so much for stopping by. And until next time, stay crafty.